Okay, so I am Ana Martinez. I am a doctor in electrochemistry and material science, and I am currently a postdoctoral researcher at the Department of Aerospace and Mechanical Engineering at UTEP.
I'm Alexis Morel. I'm a postdoc here at the University of Texas at El Paso, working in Dr. Eric MacDonald's group at the Aerospace and Mechanical Engineering department. We are working with Anna on 3D printing of lithium-ion batteries and sodium-ion batteries, so basically what we call energy storage devices. And nowadays, these tiny devices are just everywhere, in your smartphone, in laptops, electric vehicles, for example. And of course, these lithium-ion batteries, for example, they have some issues. The battery life, we always want more, of course. And so right now, our research is how to improve this battery life, how to improve the batteries, and how to improve the energy storage capability. And so we use additive manufacturing, also called 3D printing, just as a tool in order to develop this new generation of batteries. Basically, if you take a look what you have on your phone, for example, the batteries is just stacked sheets of materials, let's say electrodes, electrolytes, separator, and current collectors. So just a superposition of different layers. And thanks to 3D printing, you can move towards new architectures of the battery in 3 dimensions, very complex shapes, and basically this can lead to improved battery performances. There is also another goal, which is the possibility to 3D print shape conformable batteries. So basically, I really like to always take this example, but for example, I'm pretty sure you know these connected glasses, and the battery nowadays is just one huge block on one side of the lens. Basically, what you can imagine, thanks to 3D printing, is to print the complete battery into the wall frame of the glasses. So you take advantage of the wall space that is not used for now. So this is what we do here at UTEP.
So as part of our fundings, we have received funding from NASA to print batteries from materials that are mined on the surface of the moon or Mars, what we call in situ resource utilization. So we take advantage of what is already there to build the different components of the battery. And this will allow to reduce the weight that is brought from the Earth, but also to develop what is already being up there. NASA plans by 2030 to build the Artemis base camp, so we are going to contribute a bit to this development. So what I really like about this area of research is the possibilities. So we need energy storage devices, so we just have many possibilities to do that. We have many ideas. There are so many things that needs to be done. I also really like the opportunities that UTEP gives us to develop this area, the 3D printing of batteries. And what makes me passionate about it is that it's something that is not going to end, that we are going to see for a lot of years ahead, because energy it's everywhere. It's part of our way of life.
So engineering, of course, is awesome, and you need to choose it. And just something that we wanted to highlight is that you have different pathways, right, in engineering. We don't do engineering all day. We also do what we call multidisciplinary research. And so what we do is engineering, but also material science. We also do a lot of chemistry. And combining all of these different topics, well, this is how we do great research. So don't be afraid of choosing aerospace mechanical engineering. This is great topics, and also there is always good pathways, different pathways. This is really multidisciplinary. You can also study material science. There is also another pathway crossed with a lot of chemistry. So engineering is awesome, and you always can use engineering as a tool. In your case, we use 3D printing as a tool, to print batteries, which is really a lot of chemistry, a lot of material science. So don't be afraid of choosing that. Mechanical engineering is great. Aerospace is great topic also to study. Also, we wanted to give you some advice for your future, and maybe Anna, you can explain about like the interest in pursuing studies. In other countries, this is always great opportunity, Anna.
UTEP has great relationships with other universities, so being at UTEP will allow you to take opportunities abroad, such as internships, but also the formation that you will gain inside of this university will take you to a master's or PhD graduate.